Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some happy mail to share with you guys. So Growing Modestly sent me some more happy mail. She has sent me some happy mail before, and I'm so excited. She reached out to me and she asked me if she could send me another fun little package, and I got it in the mail. Yay! So Growing Modestly, I will leave her information linked down below. She has a fun sticker shop, and you guys, her stickers are really cute and I can't wait to use them. I actually have them in this little sticker album. I think I got this one, I don't know if this one was a gift or from the Chicago Planner Conference, because I know I got one from the Chicago Planner Conference, but anyways, that's besides the point. So I just keep my planner society kits in here, and then over here I started a little section with all of her little sticker kits. These are really cute and I can't wait to use them in my new planner because these are a fun little size, so I think they'll be perfect. And then over here I just have my other Planner Society tabs and label stickers. So really cute. I can't wait to keep filling this baby up. Alright, anyway, so here is everything that she sent me. So cute. I'm excited to see her stickers. There we go. She is so sweet. I'm so excited. Again, you guys should definitely check her out because her stickers are good quality and they are really cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up right here. Super fun. Alright. How cute. They're a little bended, but it's okay. I can just put them in between a heavy book. And it just says, "Thank you, Ellie." How cute is that? Here we have a cozy rest of the year. Super cute. A fun little card that I can always throw into my planner. And then here we have this super cute, it's almost like a transparent, it's called Snowy Day. And it has like little trees and snowflakes. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh, here's her logo. It's called Growing Modestly. Really cute. And then here we have this one, Cozy Winter Friends. That is so cute. These actually go together really nicely. I don't think they're part of the same collection, but I think I could totally make them work together. Look at how cute that is. Alright, and then next we have Watercolor Owls. Look at how pretty these are. Oh my goodness, I love the blue and the brown color combination. Really pretty. And then here we have this one, Snowflake Brush Strokes. Really cute. It looks like it's almost like a washi strip kind of sticker. Really pretty. Look at all these beautiful fun colors. And then here we have this one that says Winter Quotes. Again, it's kind of like a transparent sticker. And, oh, it is. Look at how pretty that is. It says, "Hello, Winter. Make yourself a hot drink, grab your blanket, get cozy, and watch the snowfall." I love that. First day of winter. Really, really cute. Here we have this little set, Cozy Winter Washi Strips. These are super fun. Look at how cute. You have the little sweater with the hot cocoa and then the fuzzy socks and then a fun little warm candle. Really cute. Love the polka dots. Or actually they're little like stars. And then here we have this one, Cozy Winter. So I think this is a whole little set right here. How cute is that? I love that. Here we have, oh yeah, these go together because as you can see, the washi strip matches with the sweater. Isn't that cute, you guys? Oh my gosh, she is so talented. Look at how fun these are. Do you see that little fireplace? Really cute. And then here we have another Cozy Winter that's part of this little collection. So you get the half boxes, and then you get the today errands this week. And then you get like the little bullets and then some quarter boxes and then a fun quote at the bottom with some deco stickers. Really cute. I like the color combination. Here we have this super fun self-care. You got the little face mask, the lotions. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. My daughter would love this one. She is such a skincare freak. And then here we have this one right here. This one is Blush Pink Balloon Alpha and Numbers. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, that's really beautiful. Wow, I love these. And then here we have the New Year's treats. That is gorgeous. So you got the little cake pops and then the cakes on gold stands. I love the color combination. The gold, the pink, and the brown. Absolutely beautiful. And then we have New Year's quotes. Anything in black and quotes, you guys. And then we got 2022 goals. Really cute. Happy New Year 2022. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to throw this into my new planner. I love this. All right, and then we have a fun little set right here. Look at the size of this one. And the paper quality is really great. This one is called New Year's Decorations. Look at how pretty that is. All the fun blush pink or soft pink, I guess, with golds. Really pretty. Oh my goodness, look at all these fun balloons. New Year's balloons. Really, really cute. Wow, thank you so much. I truly, truly appreciate these. These are absolutely beautiful, and I cannot wait to use these. But definitely, you guys should go check her out. I'll leave her information linked down below. As always, thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!